the sun's going down and it's making this really pretty color for the houses off in the distance. And I'm in a parking lot. And the parking lot's clear, which is amazing. And there's the sun going down. And hopefully everybody's warm in their homes. It's my car I'm trying to get cleaned off. My fingertips are freezing. But I hear birds. Yes, this is beautiful. I'm outside of a school. That's a swimming pool area right there. And there'll be kids here tomorrow. This is really nice. All right, my fingers are freezing. I love you. The sky is perfectly clear. Fabulous. One more look at the sunset in there. All right, bye-bye.